Most AI agents still respond with long blocks of text that are hard to understand and even harder to use, especially when you're working with data. You ask a simple business question and you get paragraphs instead of answers. But what if your AI could respond visually instead? Imagine asking about revenue, growth, or performance and instantly getting interactive charts, tables, and insights right inside the conversation. That's exactly what we're building with Thesis, an AI analytics agent that turns raw data into visual insights, not boring text.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
To get started, simply search for Thesis. This is the official website. As soon as you land on the homepage, you'll see that Thesis allows you to build AI applications that respond with interactive UI elements like cards, forms, tables, and visual layouts. Rather than returning plain text, Thesis uses its API middleware to deliver real-time visual responses inside the chat experience. From here, you can click on Try API for free or explore the platform by selecting Try Playground. Now, let's sign up. You can sign up using your Google account, GitHub account, or your email address. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. For this demo, I'll log in using Google. Once logged in, you'll see the main Thesis dashboard. Here, you'll find several pre-built agents that you can remix and explore. You can open any of these agents to understand what they do and how they work. To create your own agent, click on Create New Agent. On the left side, you'll see the agent configuration settings, and on the right side, you'll see a live preview. Any changes you make are reflected instantly, so you can see how your agent behaves in real time. Next, give your agent a name. We'll call it Data Agent. In the description, we'll define what this agent does. It accepts CSV and Excel files, automatically analyzes the data, and generates charts, graphs, infographics, and presentation-style outputs with structured insights and slide-like sections. You can then upload a logo for your agent, which will appear as its avatar. After that, move to the Conversation Starter section. These starter prompts appear on the agent's main screen and help users begin interacting right away. You can add up to 4 starter prompts, and once saved, they'll instantly show up in the interface. Next, select the AI model for your agent. Thesis supports multiple models, including advanced general-purpose and code-focused models. For this demo, we'll choose a model suitable for data analysis. Below that, we'll select the latest version to ensure better response quality. Once the basic setup is complete, move to the Prompt section. This is where you define how your agent behaves. Here, we'll add a detailed system prompt instructing the agent to act as a professional data analysis assistant for business and educational datasets. The prompt clearly outlines responsibilities, analytics behavior, visual output style, and response rules. You can pause the video here to review the full prompt. Once done, click Add to save it. Next, go to the Tools section. From here, you can enable additional capabilities for your agent. For this demo, we'll enable Web Search, Artifact Builder, and LLM Search. You can also enable other tools, like Weather, depending on your use case. Now comes the most important part, adding data. You can connect databases, add website links, or upload files directly from your local computer. For this example, we'll upload a Supermart sales spreadsheet. After uploading the file, you can describe how the agent should use this data. Once done, click Add Data Source. You can also add multiple datasets if needed. Now let's see how the output works. Once your data is uploaded, after that, write a prompt. Create a presentation-style summary from the data resource, and your presentation is generated automatically. Each slide is created from a single prompt. There's no manual formatting or design involved. Instead of text-heavy slides, Thesis generates clean visuals like bar charts and pie charts that clearly explain the data and make insights easier to grasp. For example, if you enter a prompt like Create Business Insights in a Google-style format, Thesis instantly generates a structured business overview. You can see customer growth from January to June, regional customer distribution by revenue, total revenue by region, and product mix analysis. It also shows market revenue by category, the share of total sales by product, and monthly performance trends with year-to-date context. All of this information is visually organized, making it far easier to understand than traditional reports. What's even better is that these visuals are interactive. They're not static charts. When you hover over them, you'll see smooth animations and detailed data points, allowing you to explore the insights naturally. Now, let's try another prompt. We'll write something like, align my company data from the data resource and generate charts. Since the company data is already connected, Thesys analyzes it automatically and creates charts based on that dataset. Here, you can see a company segment analysis along with recommended visuals, such as segment breakdown charts and share by segment comparisons. If you want to generate more charts, you can simply choose the chart type you want. If time-based data is available, you can select an area chart to visualize trends over time. Once selected, the chart is generated instantly, and you can repeat this process to view the data from different perspectives. After generating the visuals, you can move to the customization options. Thesys offers multiple theme presets that instantly change the look and feel of your widgets. You can switch between light and dark themes or choose one that fits your brand. If you want more control, the Custom option allows you to adjust background colors, contrast, borders, and typography for headings, body text, and numbers. For this demo, we'll stick with a preset since it already looks clean and professional. Once customization is complete, head over to the sharing options. Here, you can invite collaborators, duplicate the app, or embed the agent directly into your website or application using a simple code snippet. You can also publish the agent as a community template so others can reuse it. In the Share section, you'll see the option to publish your agent as a standalone app with its own URL. We'll select that option. Once published, you can copy the URL, open it in a new tab, and see that your app is live on the internet. Now let's test it. We'll enter a prompt like, create charts from the company data. Click Start, and the agent instantly generates interactive charts. These charts aren't cluttered or text-heavy. They're clean, responsive, and animated. When you hover over them, subtle animations appear, confirming that everything is working as expected. And just like that, you now have a fully functional, standalone AI analytics app built using Thesys. So, what do you think about this tool? Let me know in the comments. I've added the link in the description if you want to try it yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.